friends, welcome to Easy Cooking with Ekta. Today we are going to make a very simple, easy, homemade recipe which is aloo gobi. It's going to be a fried sabji. So I have created a different version for this kind of sabji. This is normally served in various dhabas and restaurants here in India, and it's really very tasty, tempting also. Plus, you will really enjoy cooking it. Here's the first ingredient: 1 tablespoon of kitchen king, 1 big tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 big tablespoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 big tablespoon of Kashmiri lal mirchi powder, red chili powder rather, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 big tablespoon of salt. You can adjust that as per your need. Then I have 1 big tablespoon of fennel seed powder, 2 to 3 big green chillies which are chopped, some garlic here, 3 big cloves of garlic, a red food color which is purely optional here I've taken. So these are my veggies, the gobi and aloo which I have sliced, and then I have immersed them in hot warm water. This is tomato puree for 2 big tomatoes, 1 big onion chopped, some oil for frying, approximately 3 tablespoons, and some asafoetida, that's hing. Let's get into making the sabzi here. Also, you can make the sabzi without onion and garlic, that's purely optional. And some more oil to it, add some asafoetida, then garlic, top up by green chilies. Now add all other masalas that I showcased you on my chopping board. Mix them well, and to it add the strained veggies plus the food color. So pinch of food color has to be mixed with a little bit of water, and then add it to the mixture, and then after that you can add your veggies. Post that, you can fry out these veggies for approximately 12 good minutes. Mix them well first and then cover them with a lid, and approximately for 12 good minutes allow them to cook so that they are a little tender. Now it's time to prepare a tadka. For that I have added 1 big tablespoon of oil. To it I've added the chopped onions. Cook them well till they are golden brown. Once they are done, we're going to add the tomato puree to it. That's the right time of adding the puree. Mix it well and cook it for another 5 to 7 minutes so that the tomatoes are tender. So here's the cooked one version. Now this version is ready to get transferred into my stir-fried veggies. So look at the veggies, the beautiful color is here. To check if the veggies are cooked or not, just press up it a little bit. So if it's really soft to be pressed up, I guess the veggies are done now. Time to add the prepared tadka into the veggies. Here you go. Mix the tadka well. Again, cook this sabzi for approximately 5 good minutes by covering up with a lid, and then you are good to go to serve this sabzi to your guests, because this is one of the easiest and the tastiest sabzi in the Indian cuisine available. Do try it out. This is the final version. I'm going to do a final plating of it. If you have fresh coriander, do sprinkle that up. And here's the final version. Transfer it to the small kadai. Do serve it with hot paranthas or roti. So I'm just decorating it with some green chilies. That's purely optional. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel, share the video, and also share your comments with me. Thank you so much. Bye bye.